Now today, guys, we're going to be talking about the SNAP allotment for December, and I'm going to give you the updates from November. Okay, guys, so there's about 19 states that have been approved, and I'm about to drop them to you guys. In addition, guys, I do have some updates with Section 8, so I'm just going to combine them and put them in this video. So stay tuned for that as well. Well, hey, Boss Up Babies, have you guys bossed up today? If you haven't bossed up today, then what are you doing? We the Boss Up Babies around here. We get in and we get it done. Yes, we do. Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Cutie Finance. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Hit it twice so you can turn all my notifications on so you will not miss a video. So let's get started. Okay, guys, the SNAP beneficiaries for December, just remember, guys, this increase will be $95, and it all depends on your household. Like, for instance, if you have a household size of 1, you will be getting $280. If you have a household of 2, you will be getting an increase of $516. If you have a household size of 3, it'll be $740. If you have a household size of 4, it'll be $939. And if you have a household size of 5, it will be $1,116. So you guys keep that in mind. Every household is different, but the increase is $95. Okay, guys, the first state we have is Hawaii, and the payout date for Hawaii, guys, is January the 10th. Then we have Illinois. The payout date for Illinois, guys, is December the 21st through December the 29th. The next state we have is Maine. Maine payout date, guys, is December the 9th. The next state we have is Maryland. Maryland payout, guys, is December the 4th through December the 23rd. The next payout we have is New Hampshire. New Hampshire payout, guys, is December the 1st through December the 16th. Okay, guys, the next payout state is New Jersey. New Jersey, guys, you'll be receiving your payment on December the 1st through December the 3rd. The next state is New Mexico. New Mexico, guys, you're going to be receiving your payment from December the 1st, anywhere up until the 31st, okay? So you guys look for that payment. So for Oklahoma, guys, you're going to be receiving your payments from December the 10th through December the 15th. If you live in Oregon, your payments are going to go out. It's going to be 3 rounds for Oregon. Okay, guys, just remember that Oregon does that. And so it's going to be, the first round is going to be December the 12th. The third round is December the 29th. And the first round is going to be December the 12th for Oregon. The second one is December the 29th. And the third round, guys, is going to be January the 3rd. Okay. If you live in Vermont, guys, is going to be January the 12th. Is going to be that first payout. And if you live in Virginia, guys, your payment for Virginia, guys, is going to be December the 16th. If you live in West Virginia, guys, your payment is going to be sent out for December the 7th. Now, if you live in Wisconsin, your payment is going to be sent out for December the 17th. Okay, guys, now, as you know, there's about 8 states that are running behind for their SNAP allotment. Normally, guys, what they do is for their November payments, they send them all out in December. So I'm going to be giving you those states now that are running behind. Okay, the first state we have is Alabama, guys. In Alabama, you can expect those payments anywhere from November all the way up to December the 1st for Alabama. So you guys should have already gotten your payments. If you haven't, just go ahead and check into it, okay? So if you live in California, your first payout date for SNAP is going to be December the 17th, okay? So if you live in Hawaii, guys, Hawaii first payment is going to be sent out December the 12th. If you live in Kansas, your first payment for Kansas, guys, is going to be sent out December the 21st through December the 30th. If you live in Massachusetts, guys, your payment for Massachusetts, guys, is going to be sent out December the 1st. I'm sorry, guys, it's going to be December the 2nd for Massachusetts. Now, if you live in Minnesota, guys, your payment is going to be sent out from December the 6th all the way up until the 29th. You guys can look out and watch out for those payments. If you live in Nevada, now guys, you know Nevada did get approved, but we're still waiting on the dates for Nevada. As soon as I get Nevada dates, I will update you on that, okay? So the last of the 8 states is Vermont. And Vermont payout, guys, is going to be December the 14th. Okay, guys, now as a reminder, we do have new states that have been approved for November. And I just want to go over those states to remind you of those states that have been approved. So the first state was approved for November. We got Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, DC, Illinois, Louisiana, Maryland, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, New Mexico, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. So guys, all of those states have been approved for the month of November. Okay guys, I got some exciting news for you guys for the people who are out in Arizona, guys. Arizona, guys, you should be receiving your p-ebt card in the mail this week, so definitely look out for that. So you want to make sure that you don't throw away the card, guys. It's going to be a black and white card. And guys, you know there is a food stamp scan alert that's been out. I told you guys this a while back, maybe like a couple months ago, and this is just a friendly reminder that you guys really be careful when it comes down to these scammers, because you guys know it's the holidays. They're doing a lot of things to try to take your money, your food stamps from you to benefit themselves. So protect yourself and protect your family. Now, let me give you some tips on what you can do to protect yourself and your family, okay? The first tip, guys, they give you from the website is to make sure that you check the terminal before putting your card in, okay? It says inspect the payment terminal before use. Don't use your card if there's anything loose, crooked, damaged, or scratched on that terminal. Guys, get away from that terminal and find another one, okay? Okay guys, the second tip they want you to do is anytime you have a keypad that you have to enter in your PIN, pull at the edge of it, okay? Just pull a little bit at the edge of the keypad and see if it's loose. Now, if it's loose, it could read your PIN number. Do not use it, okay? Go to your different terminal. And the third tip that they want you guys to realize is cover the keypad with the other hand while entering your PIN. Everybody should know that, but some people don't do it. Some people just enter in their PINs and don't care who looking. But guys, make sure that you cover it up so everybody won't see your PIN. And lastly, guys, is phishing. Phishing is sending an email to you trying to act like they want to, trying to act like they're from EBT or they're from the food stamps office and they're trying to get you to send them information. Don't do that. Don't send personal information through your email, okay? Okay, guys, now the Section 8 waiting list has opened up for some states. Now, this is what I have so far. Let me read to you. It says that to qualify for this state right here, guys, all households must meet income requirements. So you have to meet the income requirements first before you can be accepted, okay? And second, it says qualified applicants will be selected via random lottery. So this is going to be a lottery. If you get accepted, you're going to go through a lottery. And it says it also offers a preference on the waiting list. So there's a preference on that waiting list, guys. And it says for the applicants that are living in a unit where the landlord is willing to accept the voucher, or if the applicant has located a unit, they will move into where the landlord is willing to accept the voucher. Okay. So it says Nevada. It says Nevada. That's going to be the city for Nevada, but let me see. Nevada is a state. Okay, so guys, this is going to be for Carson. If you live in the city of Carson City, Nevada, they're going to be accepting the applications. Now, let me tell you when they're going to be accepting the applications for Section 8. Okay, guys, they're going to be accepting applications from the waiting list on December the 9th, okay? So they're going to have 200 applications that they're going to be accepting. So make sure on December the 9th, y'all hit that up and don't miss it if you live in Carson, Nevada, okay? Because it's going to be 200 applications from the waiting list that they're going to accept, and they're going to be open until December the 16th. Now, let me see if they say where you can go and get some information. Go to your HUD office, guys, and see the income requirements that they're requesting. If you need rental assistance over there, it says call them at 775 887-1795, okay? And that's pretty much all they say. So if you need more information, go to NV Rule. So that's nvrule.org. And it'll give you all the information about the application that you need to fill out in order to get on that waiting list, okay? And so that's all I have for Section 8, guys. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Until then, I want you to stay prayed up and bossed up, baby.